say, before you keep scrolling, I just want you to just check this out just for 1 second. What you're going to notice is that sometimes your body feels urgent before the situation is actually urgent. It's true, it happens. You know that feeling? Here's the thing. When it happens to me, I notice thoughts in my head start to say, I have to reply to this right now, or I have to fix something right now, or I have to make this feeling go away right now. Yeah. And if it happens, it's okay. We're first going to notice it and label it. Hey, that's urgency. Want to know how I know it's urgency? Because it's loud. And if we listen, it's very convincing. It's very bossy too. 5-star performance in immediate action. But here's something that I work with my clients and something I practice myself too. When urgency pops up, it feels real. It feels intense. It's just not always the truth. Sometimes urgency is just activation and that's it. It's all that it is. Your body starts moving fast, fixated, focused. And your mind is doing what it does, trying to protect you in some way. And your system is saying, do something. And we can pause in that moment before we react. We can say, I hear you. But before we obey that urgent message, take 1 second. Just ask yourself, is this actually urgent? Or does my body feel that it's urgent? Notice that difference. Now pause. I want you to notice something that's solid. Maybe it's your feet on the floor, maybe it's the phone in your hand. Or notice there's something underneath you. It could be a chair, it could be the floor. There's something solid holding you, and you're still here. And I want you to notice something else. The urgency may still be here too. But it's one of the many things that are around you right now. We don't fight urgency. What we're doing is we're just giving it a little bit more room with other things that are also here too. And you don't have to solve the whole thing right now. You can pause. You just take a moment before moving. 1 second before replying to a message. 1 second before explaining yourself. 1 second before chasing the answer. That's regulation. And that's you putting one hand back on the steering wheel of your life. Just lifting the foot off the gas and letting your life coast just for a moment. So later today, if urgency shows up again, ask yourself this. Is this urgent or am I activated? Then I want you to feel something solid. And in that pause, choose the next step. Not your whole life. Just the next step. One slice of the entire block of cheese. Well done. And in this space, in this little tiny moment, these little gaps that we can create, we can make better decisions. One tiny pause, and suddenly you're doing advanced attachment style renovations inside your own mind. Amazing.